Okay, it's Saturday afternoon, and I just thought I'd do a little updated video of the blushings, Smokey and her mate. There's Smokey, and hopefully you can see a bunch of babies within those leaves swimming around. They're all over the tank. This time, this group appears to be comfortable anywhere in the tank, so they're everywhere. See if it will show some near the top and the back. A big group of them back there. There's also a big group near the bottom behind this plant. There's a few coming out here to say hello. They just ate a little while ago, so they're probably just absorbing all of that and have not been in a big hurry to do anything else. But anyway, that's the blushing. Now I'm going to take a quick move over to the other fry tank. These guys over here are doing pretty good. I put some green beans and peas in there yesterday, and of course the plecos were going crazy on them then, and even the fish were nibbling on them quite a bit. But everybody's kind of slowed down now. It's in between feeding times. Now they're just expelling what they ate, as you can see on this little blusher here. In his long string, I mean. And of course, the plecos are everywhere on the air tubes, on the sides of the tank. Seeing a little reflection back here. I don't know exactly what that means, but here's a little pan of this tank. Now we're going to drop down to another one in just a moment here. That is a fat little baby. I would say he's been eating a lot. Okay, see if I can drop down here without killing myself. See all the blushings in this tank, along with lots of plecos like that one on the back of that tank. And those that are down here nibbling on the green beans and peas. Just having themselves some fun. Just let this sit here for a minute and see who comes up to be seen. Of course, the video always works better when it's still, but I see something I want to do. albino Placo down there. And some more babies coming into range to investigate this camera, I suppose. They all want to eat again. It hadn't been that long since they ate. I can't remember. I think I fed these guys BBS this morning. Back to these little Placos having fun. I just get a kick out of watching them nibble on the remnants of these green beans and peas that they attack with such vigor. The Placo attack. Gobble gobble. Now the little blushing fry don't seem as interested in nibbling on this stuff as the Placos do. Of course, that's understandable. But they did. They ate a lot on it earlier, and then they had BBS, so maybe they're just not that hungry right now. I wonder if that is a Paraíba right there swimming in front of the camera. It's pretty light. I couldn't get him to show himself when I was trying to get snapshots. Maybe this will show it on here. We will see. But anyway, that's what's pretty much going on in the fry tanks. And I guess I'll shut this off and make a little YouTube video of it. So long, guys.